Good evening, Professor Jessica Picard. My name is Joshua Velásquez, and I am going to talk about the difference between pronouns and nouns. First, we are going to talk about what is a noun and what is a pronoun. A noun is a word that refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action, and it's usually a single word but not always. Cake, shoes, school bus, and time and a half are all nouns. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named especially. The common pronouns are the personal pronouns, which refer to the person or people speaking or writing. It could be like the first person. The person or people being spoken to the second person or other people or things. For example, the third person. What we are going to see here is the type of nouns. The first one is the common noun, the most common type of noun. Most words fall into this category, and it features words like man, park, or train. The proper nouns, a noun that is referring to a specific place or person, they are always capitalized, so Terry, United States, and Canada are all proper nouns. Referring to nouns in their material form, generically, you can physically touch these nouns. Dog, tree, building, those are concrete nouns. Now we have the abstract nouns. On the opposite end to the concrete nouns, abstract nouns are used to name ideas and concepts, rather than the physical things like love, freedom, happiness. The collective nouns, these refer to a group of people or things, for example, gang, herd, or class. Those work for collective nouns. The compound nouns, these nouns are made up for more than one word, for example, policewoman, cowboy, highway. The countable nouns that can be counted either or singular or plural, they generally are found in a sentence referring to numbers. For example, I have 4 handles and I read a book. The uncountable nouns, those are nouns that cannot be preceded by an a or a number, like accountable nouns, so can be information or water, for are good examples of this type of nouns. The type of pronouns. Personal pronouns, in their different forms, it shows person, number, and gender. Examples: I, we, you. Possessive pronouns are a form of personal pronouns. They show ownership. Mine, you, his. Indefinite pronouns refer to people, places, or things in general. For example, all, either, any. Demonstrative pronouns tells which one or which group of person, places, or things are referred to. Example: did, does, this. Relative pronouns. A relative pronoun refers to an earlier noun, sentence, or part of a sentence. Example: all, either, any. The distributive pronouns, the pronouns which refer to person or things one at a time. Examples: each, either, neither. The possessive pronouns are the word that's used to indicate something belongs to someone else, and it's used to indicate a relationship of possession in a broad sense. Mine's, yours, his. Reciprocal pronouns. We use the reciprocal pronouns when two subjects receiving the benefits or consequences that action simultaneously. Thank you.